Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the keyboard. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to take out all the screw back of this laptop. So many screw back of the laptop. Make sure you get the right key to open it. Okay, you have to use the right screwdriver to open it. If you don't have the right screwdriver, you have to find it so you don't spoil the screw. This one is Allen key. Okay, the small Allen key. Same with one that they used to the one you can use to open phone. Almost the same. Okay, so make sure you take out all the screw at the back. Okay, don't leave any screw. After you open the screw all, okay, you try to open the back cover. Just take out this pencil to open it like this. Take out this one. Okay, now you need to take out everything. You remove the battery first. Make sure you put all the screw one side. So many screws. Make sure anything you take out from this laptop, you have to know where you take it out. Okay, take out all the screw for the battery. One more screw here. Make sure you take out all the screw for the battery. Remove the battery. See the cable here. Remove the cable. Put it one side. Okay, take out the hard disk. You can put all the screw one side. It's the same screw. Take out the hard disk. Disconnect the hard disk from here. There's a connector here. Remove the connector like this. Put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out the motherboard. Remove all this connector. This is the keyboard connector. Remove it. Remove the backlight connector for the keyboard also. Okay, you need to take out the motherboard. Take out all the screw. Okay, remove, separate the screen. Separate the screen from the keyboard side. So you take out these inches. Remove all the screw and this one here also. This one, the inches screw is different. As you can see, the color is different. It's long, so just put them different place. Is 6 screw, 3 here, 3 the other side. Put it one side. Okay. Disconnect the cable, network cable here. Disconnect this one also. Remove it. Okay. Remove this one. Remove this one and disconnect the LCD cable also. Be careful, you don't spoil any component. Just remove it. Disconnect it like this. Okay. Then now you do like you open the laptop a bit so the inches should come up like this. Then you open the inches. Okay. Take out this one. Separate the LCD. Put the LCD one side. Okay. Leave only the keyboard side. Now you need to take out the motherboard. Remove the network Wi-Fi card. Take out the processor fan. You have to take out the motherboard, remove everything. Okay. Make sure when you remove anything, use the motherboard small and see if there's any screw you need to open. Don't force to open it. Okay. You have to make sure you open it very slow so you don't damage anything. Remove this one. You just ace it up and push it to remove the connector for the charging system. Okay. Disconnect the speaker. Okay. Then remove this connector here. Try to raise the motherboard up. Take out the motherboard. Okay. Take out the charging system. Okay, now you need to remove this frame. This one you see, this metal one. You just need to ace it up. There's no screw on this. This one is like clip. You just see the way I'm doing it. Just ace all the clip up. Okay. When you finish, you have to use solder to fix it. Okay. I have no magic to remove it. This is the only way you have to remove it. You have to ace all the clip up. Okay. Take out the speaker cable, push it small. Remove this one. Okay. Push them small like this. Remove on top the metal. You have to remove it. This is the only option you have. Okay. You have to remove all the clip. This is the only way you have to open it. There's no way. You just have to open all the rubber. When you finish, you fix it. If you want to fix it, fix the solder, and you see the way I'm doing it. But this is only you have to open it first. Take out this pan, make sure you straight it, because you have to fix it back. Okay. Then remove the keyboard also the same way. Take it out. Okay. Now it's time to fix the new keyboard. Before you fix the new keyboard, make sure you clean this side. You remove the dust man, small. Okay. Then you fix the new keyboard now. Just put it very straight, don't bend it. Okay, make sure you go inside very well, everything go inside well. You check the back and see if it's correspond very well. Okay, you need to go inside very well, check everything perfectly. See that it's inside well. Okay, after you make the keyboard rest properly, okay, you use a soldering iron. You see all the rubber side, just melt and hold it like this. Don't worry, it will not burn you. Just make sure you do it properly so the keyboard will rest properly. And when you are using the soldering, make sure you press the keyboard so the keyboard will rest very well. Okay, make sure you press the keyboard. Just put the soldering like this everywhere. You see the rubber. You press and you use the soldering so the rubber will come up and hold the keyboard very well. Just like this. Do it everywhere. Okay. Everywhere you do it, it's very easy. Just put the soldering like this. The rubber will come up and you hold the keyboard. You press the keyboard so the keyboard will rest properly. Okay. You have to do it everywhere the same thing. Okay. You have to do it everywhere the same thing like this. Okay. Make sure you do it everywhere. Be careful for the connectors so the solder will not touch it. Make sure you do it everywhere. Okay. Don't leave anywhere. Make sure you do it everywhere. After you fix it everywhere, okay, you check the keyboard and see if the keyboard rests properly. Just check and see if anyone is down. If that side is down, you try to press that side and soldering the rubber. Okay, everything is fixed well. Okay. After I fix the keyboard, okay, now you need to fix this cover on top, this metal also. Okay, then you bend this one. Make sure you bend it exactly how the old one is. If you don't know how to do this one, just watch the old keyboard. You see how you bend. Okay, you pass them inside there. The keyboard also pass it inside there. Okay. Make sure you remove all the cable inside. Make sure the metal rests properly. Okay. Same like how you do the keyboard also. Make sure it rests properly inside very well before you start using the Serdang. Okay. Okay. Don't forget the speaker cable is supposed to be up on top, so just remove it. Don't leave it under. Okay. Make sure it rests properly. Okay. Then use now the Serdang. You have to do the same thing also like the way you do the keyboard. You have to bend all everywhere, same like how you do the keyboard. This one make the keyboard strong. Okay, do it right round, very nice. Okay, everywhere you see the rubber is, just do it there, so it's so this one to rest properly. Yeah, right round. Okay, after you finish fix the keyboard properly, okay, now you fix back the motherboard first. Make sure you fix it very nice how you take it. Fix back the speaker. Okay, and start replacing some of the screw you take out. Make sure you know where you take out all the screws. Replace all the screw, replace everything back. Replace the charging system. See the clip, you push it inside and you close it down. Okay, then you fix the backlight for the keyboard. Push inside very nice and close it. Then I fix the keyboard cable. Fix very nice and close it. Make sure it's exactly like take it. Fix the mouse. Fix inside very nice and close it. Okay, fix back the network card. Wi-Fi card, fix it very nice. Replace back the screw you take out. Okay, fix back the LCD. Put the LCD down. And you slide in the keyboard like this and try to close the inches just like this. Okay, you place back the screws you take out from the inches. When you see the arrow point on that screw hole, you know that that place is supposed to have screw. Okay, if you see the X on it, don't put screw there. Okay, that one is the screw that's coming out from the back cover. Okay, place all the screw you take out. You place back the network cable. Make sure you pass it very well how you take it exact. So you fix it very nice so your network will become very strong. Fix this one also. This is very nice exactly how you take it. Fix back the black one, very nice. Okay, fix the LCD cable. Fix the clip inside. Very straight, exactly how you take it. Don't bend it. Don't force to press it in. If you don't have the right position, you don't spoil the connector on the board. Okay. Fix back the hard disk. Open the slot. Push it inside. Very nice. Don't force to do it. Do it slowly. You close it. You place back the screw you take out from the hard disk. Three screw you take out. Supposed to be 4 screw, but I already take out one. So just replace exactly what you need. Okay. Fix back the battery. Okay. Put the battery terminal inside very nice, straight. Okay. Then you put back the battery down. Make sure the keyboard is rest properly. You place back the screw you take out. You see the arrow there, you know that this place is supposed to have screw. Don't put screw where there's no arrow. Okay. Because some of the places for the screw that's coming from the back cover we pass through that side. Put this out also. Okay. You place back the back cover. And replace back all the screw you take out. So many screw. Make sure you put all the screw you take out back of the laptop. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay. After you finish, close the laptop. Okay, you on the laptop from the side. Okay, then you go to shortcut. You hold the mouse to the shortcut side here. As you can see the shortcut here. Okay, you press the keyboard. As you can see, all the keyboard is working. Cancel is working. Okay, all the key, all the spell, everything is okay. Everything is good. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.